A Course in Miracles Workbook, Lesson 6. I am upset because I see something that is not there. The exercises with this idea are very similar to the preceding ones. Again, it is necessary to name both the form of upset, anger, fear, worry, depression, and so on, and the perceived source very specifically for any application of the idea. For example, I am angry at that driver because I see something that is not there. I am worried about my bills because I see something that is not there. Today's idea is useful for application to anything that seems to upset you and can profitably be used throughout the day for that purpose. However, the 3 or 4 practice periods which are required should be preceded by a minute or so of mind searching, as before, and the application of the idea to each upsetting thought uncovered in the search. Now, close your eyes. We're going to begin with about a minute of mind searching for any upsets. Remember, there are no small upsets. They are all equally disturbing to my peace of mind. I cannot keep this form of upset and let the others go. For the purposes of these exercises, then, I will regard them all as the same. Now go ahead and take about 60 seconds and identify any upsets. Okay. And now we will apply the idea to these upsets. If you need to open your eyes to look at the screen for reference, that's perfectly fine. An example again might be, I am worried about my phone in the car because I see something that is not there. Let's take about 30 seconds or so and apply the idea to the upsets. Okay. This concludes Lesson 6. Remember, you can profitably use this idea throughout the day for any upset that comes your way at any moment. But also remember to revisit this lesson for the practice periods about 2 or 3 more times before the end of the day.